Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn on the image search feature for research and your requests on Qwen AI in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do is here on Qwen AI is log into your account. Of course, click into your profile icon in the bottom left and navigate to your account settings. From here guys, what you want to do is navigate to personalization and scroll down and expand the advanced settings. Also, it may be necessary to turn on the advanced settings. And here guys, you will see the image search as well as the web search feature. Both of these will allow the artificial intelligence here in Qwen AI to search the internet, for example, for information when asked a question by you, for example, right, in conversations and chat. So it may search for the given information online if you enable the web search feature, and also find information based on images stored online, right? So you can use both of these features and enable them here if you like, or disable them. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.